Hey, hello! In this opportunity I would like to show you how is the sound post patch work, and I would like to show you a little bit and to tell you about how we are doing this shop. So follow me, let's go. Okay, that we are watching here is exactly the top of a viola that has been broken as an accident. Then there was many cracks like you're gonna see here. So I am installing this this big patch. Usually the sound post patch is smaller, it's something like this, and it's round and it's small, but in this case I have to do it bigger because there was a cracks so on all this area. So to make it strong, this area, I do them big way. So I will here we can see how this is the patch that will gonna be glued inside here, not inside, but these are small blocks, wooden blocks, that they are there exactly to we can say it, to be sure that every time that I remove and put back this one will be exactly on the same place. So in this case I am using this this pink how is chalk, that is not so common to use the pink, it's most common to use the white one, but in this case I choose to use this one because it's a little bit easier to see the dust on the wood here, you know. So the idea is to put this one exactly in the right place a million times and we put the clamp, big clamp, we press, and this one will leave the mark there on the piece of wood that I am putting inside. So I don't see if the camera will let me show that, but we have pieces of dust there, pink, that I should go to remove it with this tool that I really don't know the name in English, but in Italian language rasiera. With a rasiera we go there to clean everything. But before this one I did a kind of bed here. It's a supporting. Now you see the tape is holding everything together, you see. So I make this bed here that has the opposite form, shape of the top exactly, is the copy exactly. So in order to press here and to have a support from the other side, you know, otherwise this one can get broken. So, and now I'm gonna show you how I work on this one. Okay, here we are. I don't know if the camera can show the dust on the, no, I don't think so, because it's very difficult. It's even difficult for me to see where is the chalk here. So I will go to work on this one, just removing in the places where I have the chalk, very carefully and very slowly and with a lot of patience. Then when we think that we already cleaned the part where it was the chalk, I can try again put it back here, always in the same, exactly the same position. There. Then I go to put the clamp. Put the clamp here. Press a little bit. That's all. Then I remove it. Then I have new marks again. And then I just go there to remove the places where I got the mark of chalk. Exactly as you can see here that I'm doing. Oops. So, onto watching with the light, we have to be able to see these places, because it's not so easy to see either. So I go there, I can put more chalk in this way. I go to make the chalk more dust, more. I don't know how is it the word in English. English is not my language, and I think that you already realize about that. So here we are. So I'm gonna put this one here again in the same place, exactly in the same place, in the same direction and everything. So, and I go with this stuff here, ticky, press a little bit, leave it there, and now I remove it. And we got a new marks again. So we're gonna repeat this process again. And to make it shorter, the video, I will tell you that we repeat this in this way many times, like a million times, since we see that everything has a mark of the chalk, and that means that the piece of wood is touching everywhere there. So I think it's quite okay. So I will go more forward, and I will show you later how it's coming. Okay, I has been working a little bit more, and here I changed the color of the chalk to make it more visible. So I changed to the blue. I think this is the last time that I touch this one, because it's quite good now, and maybe it's possible now to see it on the camera, the chalk. And okay, I was telling before that the color should be white, is the best, because if you have some rest of this one, if it's white you don't see it so well, but if it's blue, of course you wanna see it. But anyway, I'm gonna clean very well this one, so any chalk will keep there here. So I remove it, and I want to see if it's possible. We can see something or not. There, I don't know if it's possible to see something from there in the camera. Okay, but it's quite everywhere touching, So I think that I will not continue so much with this one, because if I continue so much, maybe I make it worse it. So not better. So I'm gonna clean it now, and maybe I try once more or two, and that's all, and then I'm gonna glue it with hot glue. I'm ready here, something almost ready here, some hot glue. I make a mix of them, so I have very strong glue to glue this one. Before to glue it, I will show you also how I clean it and everything. So let's see you later. Okay, here we are. I just removed this one and clean it already. So I am cleaning this one now. We clean as much as possible. The best to clean this one is these rubber things that we use to cancel the pencil. So we have to remove very well everything. Everything should be very clean. So in this way I remove everything. I think it's quite enough. So we're gonna clean this one also. This I already cleaned with the rasiera here with this one, but also with the rubber. This way. Make sure that everything removed, everything is away. Okay. clean everything here. So glue is coming. I already turned on the gadget, this one, to warm the glue. So soon I'm gonna show you how I glue it. Okay, here we are again. So I clamped this one just to make a simulacro. I mean, that just to simulate how I'm gonna do it and to see how it's coming, how will be coming. So I will remove the clamp now. Now I have the glue here. It's not in the camera, but you can believe me that it's here. So I remove this one. Everything is clean here, and I just go with my brush. I go with the brush. The glue is good. Yes, glue is singing, like they say in Italy. Okay, here I have the glue. I go there, everywhere. I put it here also. So everything is okay. I take a look that I don't have any hair from the brush. No, I don't have anything, so I go to put this one in the right position, like the mark is. So that way. Now I'm gonna clamp. I'm gonna put the clamp exactly in the right place where it was before. Yes, exactly like this. Now with my brush, with hot water, and the brush was in the hot water. Should not be. I make it dry a little bit before to put it there. So I wash into the water, and then I go here to clean everything around, to remove the excess of glue. No, because it's better to remove it now that it's not dry yet. It's much more easy to remove it now, clean it now, than to clean it when this one is already dry and very hard. Very hard to clean. So with this one I go clean everywhere. All this around the patch. Everywhere around the patch I clean very well. Of course we'll keep something there maybe, but it will be much more less. So here, for example, I remove this one. I don't know if it's possible. I will try to make a zoom there, then we see better. Then I go here to remove all extra glue that we have here. ¿Qué pasa? Did it make foco or what? Okay, I think it's not working so close. That's why maybe it's better. so I go with this one now. Yes, so I tried this one before, so now it's quite clean everywhere, so I can leave it like this. And I leave like this until tomorrow. Now I go to sleep because it's very late in the night. Then I have to sleep too. That's all. I turn off the glue, and that's all. We can see the glue, my glue is there. So I'm gonna leave it there until tomorrow. And tomorrow, let's see how is it. It's quite tight here. I don't want to tight so much, just that is necessary. That's all. Okay, bye bye. Buenas a todos. Hoy es, good morning everybody. Today is a new day, and we can see here the view through my window. This is winter time. We are in January 24, 2024. This is so beautiful. Snow to see through the window, but not so beautiful to be outside there. So it's a sunny morning, very nice. When we have sun, it's amazing. So, and now we're gonna continue with my work from yesterday. So here we are. Okay, this is the situation that we arrived yesterday. So I will continue removing the clamp. And let's see how it's coming, this one, because I'm very interested to see how it's coming. There. Ta-da! Totally glued there. So we start to. I'm gonna start to work to reduce this one, to remove all the stuff. Then I have to remove these blocks and start to work with this one. Let's uno menos, otro menos, otro menos, uno menos. Vamos, let's go baby. And one more less. So try to put it bigger. And how we do with this one? How I deal with that? I'm gonna deal in this way. Try with this stuff. So it's crazy to think that a lot of work to put it, and now I have to remove it. But not totally. We're gonna leave there like a 1.5 millimeters. So all this piece of wood just for 1.5 millimeters. A lot of work just to put into 1.5 millimeters. This one's coming nice. It takes time, but it's like this. Everything takes time and it's a lot of work. So this is just to give you an idea about how much time takes to do everything. And how much work is it. We are arriving. We are almost there. I'm remove just the big stuff. Sgrossando. In Italian language is sgrossare, la sgrossatura. En español es, in Spanish is engrossando, muy similar, very similar to Italian. To Italian language. I can see how it's coming. Very nice. Bacillus. It's coming bacillus, and I'm gonna stop in some moment now because I will go more slowly. I will go slowly. Because I need to leave the amount of material exactly as I need. And I have to start to control the thickness. The patch is coming very nice. It's very nice. Really nice. Listo. Listo.
will start to finish with another one smaller. So and at this point I have to start to control the thickness. And start to go more slowly. Here I have like a stir. I have to make it softer, that area. Softer here. Exactly like this. Super. Super, super, super. Now I have to go slowly. And I will show you how thick it is. First we have to remove it from here. Tape. I'm gonna start to work without the support down. Okay. Finally, I have the top in the hand. Here there is a small stir, but I have to remove it. Here is much a little better, but it's thick now. Now it's thick and it's okay that it's thick. A ver cómo puedo enfocar esto. Now we have 4 millimeters, 4.3, 4, 3.5 in the borders, so I have enough material to work. Now I'm gonna start to work slowly to finish everything in the right way.
Hey, hello. Okay, it's already passed so much time since the last picture that you saw about the sound post patch. I already finished. Of course, I forgot to continue the videos because I had another jobs and many clients in the middle. So this is the same instrument, and I am about to glue the top on the body, as you can see. And in order to don't make so long this video, I will finish this one here, and I will make a new video about showing how I close this one. So thank you very much for watching. See you. Leave me a like. Bye bye.